Welcome to Sheetles.
An important festival.
How can I call you?
You can call me Raisa.
Do you think hobbies are good for you?
Yes, I think students should keep hobbies. My most favorite hobby is listening to music.
Do you have any extra qualifications besides academic ones?
Yes, I have completed a course on diploma on computers for 6 months at National Development Academy.
How do you consider extracurriculum activities help students?
It refreshes our body and mind. It also prepares us to take challenges in real life and develop our patience.
How is your family life?
I am a student. I live in a flat in central Mozabazer. My mother also lives with us.
Now, I would like to give a topic. You have to talk 1 or 2 minutes. Your topic is describe an important festival in your country. What's it? How do you like it? Why do you like it? And how does it influence people?
There are so many festivals in our country. Now I would like to tell you about a festival that we all celebrate at Eid Day. It comes 2 times a year, and it's our religious festival. We celebrate it with a large prayer in a field. Thousands of Muslims get that together. We make good foods and visit each other's houses. I like it, as I am happy to meet my friends and family in this happy day. People wait for this happy day and refreshes us from monotonous life.
What are the important festivals in your country?
Apart from Eid Festival, we also commemorate our National Day on the occasion of independence. On Victory Day, we not only mourn, but also pay tribute alongside the United Nations. Every year on the 21st of February, we celebrate International Mother Language Day. Additionally, we also take pleasure in International Happy New Year and Bangla New Year.
What is the background of the International Mother Language Day?
The United Nations recognizes the day and it is now maintained all over the world. We mourn, but feel proud about the day that happened in our country in 21 Street, February 1952, when some brave students revolted and sacrificed their lives against contemporary Pakistani ruler who occupied our country until we got freedom in 1972.
Tell me about the most important festival in your country.
The most important festival in our country is Eid Day. As Muslims, we have 2 Eid Day. One is celebrated after 1 month-long fasting in holy months of Ramadan, and the other is called Eid of Sacrifice.
What special food and activities are connected with this festival?
We have scanted rice to make pulao and biryani with mutton, which are our special foods served specially in Eid. We also make a wide variety of homemade sweet meat. People wear special and new dresses and enjoy the morning prayers at mosque in Eid Day. We visit each other's houses and share special food.
What do you most enjoy about it?
I enjoy the morning prayers at the mosque and wearing special and new dresses in the Eid Day. We visit each other's house during this day and enjoy sharing special foods.
Why the festival are important for a country?
Festivals make mass awareness in a country. People unite together and share same views. They enjoy a workless day, which refreshes our mind and body.